You've been hearing scratching and scampering in your walls at night, and you're pretty sure you have a mouse problem. Mice can be incredibly destructive, not to mention gross. They can contaminate food, damage property, and spread disease. An electronic mouse repellent may be just what you need to get rid of your furry friends. These devices emit ultrasonic sound waves that are incredibly effective at deterring mice. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best mice repellent plug-in available on the market today. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. Neatmaster Ultrasonic Pest Repeller Plug-in. Are you looking for a discreet way to get rid of pests? Neatmaster's Ultrasonic Pest Repeller might be just what you need. This tiny device emits ultrasonic waves that drive pests away. Its ultrasonic waves are undetectable to humans and animals but drive pests crazy, forcing them to leave your home. The ultrasonic pest repeller is also very easy to use. Just plug it into an outlet and choose the correct mode, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with a money-back satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Neatmaster is positioned as a versatile repeller and promises to remove all kinds of rodents and insects, flies, cockroaches, ants, spiders, fleas. However, it becomes obvious from the negative customer feedback that even though it is advertised as a repellent for ants, spiders, mice, and other creepy crawlies, it doesn't seem to quite deliver on these promises. This product has mixed reviews, but it may be worth trying as there were both positive and negative remarks on its efficacy. It is said to work on an area of 800 to 1,200 square feet. That being said, it is recommended by the manufacturer to put one in each room. Pros. Comes with 3 function modes. The ultrasonic pest repeller is also very easy to use. Comes with a money-back satisfaction guarantee. Cons. Some people find the sound of the blue mode to be annoying. Number 2. Bell plus Howell Ultrasonic Pest Repeller Home Kit. I'm introducing the Bell plus Howell Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. This incredible device is 100% safe and easy to use, making it the perfect solution for removing pesky pests and rodents from your home. The ultrasonic frequencies are highly effective in repelling all types of pests, including mice, rats, spiders, ants, and roaches. The variable technology frequency waves, 20 kHz and beyond, ensure that pests do not get immune to the sounds, and the LED indicator light lets you know that the waves are working. Each of the 4 units covers an area of up to 120 square feet, so you can be sure your entire home is protected from pests. So say goodbye to messy mouse traps and other unsightly pest control solutions. The Bell plus Howell Ultrasonic Pest Repeller is all you need to keep your home pest-free. Pros. 100% safe and easy to use. Variable technology frequency waves. LED indicator light. Covers an area of up to 120 square feet. Cons. Each of 4 units covers an area of up to 120 square feet, which might not be enough for a large house. Number 3. Sroker 6-Packs Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. The Sroker Ultrasonic Repeller is easy to use, effective and compact. It also comes in a pack of 4, so you can use this in 4 rooms in your house for the most impact. All you need to do is plug them in, and they will start working. You'll love that this ultrasonic repeller is compact and comes with an indicator light to let you know it is working. This light is, however, not intrusive and the frequency used is silent to humans. The Sroker Ultrasonic Repeller works with high-frequency ultrasonic sound. People who use this product found it effective against mice and insects. It is, however, advised that you give it up to 4 weeks to work. One purchaser also found the product most effective when used alongside traps. Pros. Easy to install. Indicator light lets you know they're working. May take up to 4 weeks to work. Silent to humans. Cons. Expensive but helpful. Number 4. Victor M756K PestChaser Rodent Repellent. Unless a home is open concept, there's a good chance it will require a few ultrasonic pest repellers. For that reason, the Victor PestChaser Rodent Repellent with Nightlight might be the right product to choose. This kit comes with 6 plug-in pest repellers, each of which has a built-in night light for those late-night walks through the house. These pest repellers are extremely compact, so they're attractive enough for the home plus easy to pack in a suitcase for travel. And, since they emit ultrasonic frequencies that a human can't hear, they should not disrupt sleep. The only issue is that these devices, like most ultrasonic devices, cannot penetrate furniture or other solid items, meaning users will have to get creative with where they plug them in. Pros: has a built-in nightlight. Very compact, ideal for travel. Kit comes with coverage for several rooms. Species: mice, rats, and other rodents. Cons: might require more than one in a room. Number 5. BRISON Electromagnetic Pest Repeller Plugin. Are you tired of mousetraps and other extreme measures but still want to get rid of these stubborn creatures? Then the BRISON Repeller is what you need. In all the 25 years I have spent in pest control, I have never come across a tool that is as effective at keeping mice at bay. Let's check out its specifics. This mouse repellent is an electronic device that leverages ultrasonic tech to control these tiny animals. It is quite straightforward to use and will yield excellent results in 3 weeks or a month, at most. Unlike a trap, this product covers a broader range, making it quite handy during heavy infestations. This device also protects your premises from bats and squirrels. Pros: broad surface cover. Both indoor and outdoor use. Safe for people and pets. Friendly to the surroundings. Cons: ineffective where there are walls/solid barriers. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Now, in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.